Did you know a single nurse risked everything to expose doctors who were murdering patients for their organs? Nicole Martinez worked the night shift in the ICU at St. Mary's Hospital in Chicago. She noticed something disturbing about certain patients declared brain dead. Their pupils still responded to light. Their bodies showed signs of awareness. But doctors rushed them to organ harvesting within hours, telling families there was no hope. Nicole discovered these patients were being injected with drugs that mimicked brain death. Wealthy recipients were paying millions for fresh organs from healthy victims. As a single mother supporting her disabled son, Nicole's nursing job was everything. But she couldn't stay silent while people were being murdered. She documented the false diagnoses and contacted federal health authorities. The hospital retaliated immediately, transferring her to dangerous units and threatening her license. 3 weeks later, federal agents raided the hospital during an active organ harvest. They saved 4 patients who were fully conscious but paralyzed by the drugs. Nicole now works for the health department's ethics division, protecting patients nationwide.